In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo bigger in Weebly. Whether you're refreshing your website design or just enhancing your brand presence, adjusting the size of your logo is a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To get started, open your web browser and type in Weebly's URL. Once the Weebly homepage loads, you'll see an option to log in at the top right of the screen, so go ahead and click on that. After clicking, you'll be directed to the login page. Enter your email address first, then click the next button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Once you've keyed in your password, click on the login button to access your Weebly account. Now that you're logged in successfully, you should find yourself on the home page with an overview of your site. Here, you'll want to click on the Edit Site button. This will take you directly to the site editor's dashboard where the magic happens. In the site editor, find the Build tab, it's usually on the upper bar, and click on it. This action will open up the editor panel on the left side of the screen. Next, focus your attention on your web page where your logo is visible. Click on the logo and you'll notice a blue box appearing around it. This toolbox is your key to resizing. You have two options here. You can drag the edges of this blue box to make your logo bigger, or if you prefer a more precise approach, click on the edit button. After clicking edit, look for the crop option. Once selected, options for adjusting your logo's dimensions will be available. You'll see arrows at the corners of your logo. By clicking and dragging these arrows, you can manually adjust the size to your preference. As you tweak the logo's size, try to maintain proportionality to avoid any distortion. Once you're satisfied with the new size, you might feel the need to backtrack and review your changes. Use the back icon below the edit options to step back if necessary. Everything looking good? Perfect. It's time to save your changes. Locate the Save button, usually at either the top right or bottom of the screen, and click on it. This final step will secure all the adjustments you've made today, ensuring your larger logo is prominently displayed on your site. There you have it, folks. You now know how to make your logo bigger in Weebly. With this skill, you can keep your website looking fresh and updated with minimal hassle. Don't forget to leave a comment if you found this